Welcome back to Camper Cooking. This week we're going to be working on smoking some turkey drumsticks, and so we'll get started with that. The first step is to create a brine solution in which we're going to soak the turkey drumsticks. 3/4 cup of coarse salt, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of pink curing salt, 5 whole cloves, 5 allspice berries crushed, 2 whole bay leaves broken into pieces, 2 3-inch long pieces of cinnamon sticks broken into pieces, 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns, mix all this up dry to break up all the clumps, especially the brown sugar, and just keep stirring it till you get all of the clumps and gone and mixed up good. Stirred up and ready to go. We started with a gallon of water and added half of it to our mixing container, added our spice mixture and brought it up to a boil, boiled it for a couple of minutes and until it was ready, and then we took it off the fire and added the remaining half gallon of water.
Smells like Christmas.
Once it cooled down a little bit, we put it in the refrigerator to get it completely cool. Once the brine is cold, add the turkey drumsticks, make sure they're fully submerged, and soak them for 48 hours. After the turkey drumsticks have soaked for 48 hours, we arrange them on the racks for the smoker. Get our smoker up to the preset temperature of about 235 or 240 degrees and put them in the smoker. So we put the turkey legs in the smoker. We have it set at 240 degrees. We add some wood chips about every 30 minutes or so. Today I'm using apple wood chips to smoke the turkey legs. So we're looking for an internal temperature of 170 degrees. Should take about 3 to 4 hours to get there. After about 3.5 hours, we'll open them up and take a look. They look really golden brown and done. So we're going to check the internal temperature and see where we are. We should be right at 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's where we are. So these are done and ready to come out. That's really good. Has the salt and the sweet. Tastes like turkey ham, just like the recipe says. It's really good.